All right, this is the Peak Design capture camera clip that is used to carry cameras on your belt loop or your backpack strap. I'm going to show you how to take this off. So here is the mounting plate. Simply comes off by simply pressing this button. Clip it back in, but there's also a locking mechanism. So if it's locked like that and you try to press it, it won't come off. That's a safety mechanism built in by Peak Design. Now to take it off, I'm going to turn it off right here so the safety is not on. I'm going to press it and I'm able to release the plate. Now if you want to get this off of your strap, all you simply do is loosen up the knobs right here. And so you can loosen up these knobs. And I think these knobs right here are used for if you want to use the Allen wrench to get a secure fit. That way you know for sure that this won't become loose. Just going to do that. And then loosen this up. And that simply pulls out like that. And I'm able to take this off, put it back into place, and clip it like that. And boom, takes it off like that. That's how it is. So that's how you take off the Peak Design capture camera clip off of your strap backpack. And when you want to take it off, go ahead and tighten this up so it's not slinging around everywhere. Just like that. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.